Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm gonna share with you the best way to master Cash App like a power user. All right, so it's gonna be a quick video. We're not gonna waste too much time. Just gonna share with you the best way to master Cash App like a power user. All right, so the very best way to do this is intentional setup and consistent habits. You want to customize security, notifications, and spending routines to match your lifestyle. Use notes, tracking, and regular transfers to maintain clarity. Understand limits, fees, and features so that every action is, deliberate. Avoid reactive behaviors and treat the app as a tool, not a shortcut. Mastery comes from discipline, awareness, and structured use, not from constant activity. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, comment, share, and subscribe for more helpful financial insights. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.